So some of my viewers on YouTube are asking, can you restore your deleted ChatGPT account? I need to say that this information, I'm just going through help.openai.com website, and this information changes rapidly. So I think every week or so, they're just updating it here because the app is obviously developing so quickly. So at the moment, what it says here, account deletion is permanent and will remove data associated with your account, so you won't be able to make an account again in the future. So yeah, that's what you have. What does it mean? Yeah, so it's not possible to restore your account basically at this moment. But of course, like at the moment you can sign up with Google account or Microsoft account. What if I have, like 5 Google accounts, like with my one personal one with my work account, another personal, maybe, yeah, at that point you can just create another account with another Google account. I don't know if it's the right way or if it's allowed to do that. Maybe you won't be even allowed to do that again. So this part, I don't know. It just says officially here that if you just delete your account, you won't be able to make an account again in the future. So that's a bit too harsh, I would say, because there are so many situations where you just want to be sure to delete your account and all the data. So that should be your right to do it. And I think it's a bit harsh, like that you just can't restore it. You can always reach out to their support and their help center like this. Yeah, sometimes I also need to say that specific prompts are not deletable. So if you're using ChatGPT, you like it, but then you just wrote some sensitive prompt and you just want to delete that piece of data, not the whole your account, it's also not possible to do that. So it's not possible to delete a one separate prompt. So what can you do then? It's like, then you just need to delete your whole account, but then you still need your account, you want to restore it, and it's not restorable. So it doesn't make a lot of sense at this moment, but hopefully it will resume, it will be some kind of solutions in future.